If you're obese or overweight, the chances of you developing the chronic health conditions like weak heart, diabetes, fatty liver, high blood pressure, heart diseases, cancer is highly likely. So this is not applicable only if you're like obese or overweight. This is also applicable if you're thin or skinny. That's called a skinny fat. Especially once you cross a certain age, I would say 30 to 35. It is absolutely essential for you to pay very close attention to how you look and how you feel. Now, this is predominantly caused because of two things. One is your lifestyle, the way you live, with your sleep, with your work, daily activities that you're doing, personal habits, and the things that you consume. So essentially, there are two reasons as to why you are where you are. First one is the food that you eat. The food that we consume has two categories. One is a nutrient dense, another one is a caloric dense. So most of our Indian staple, we have caloric dense. So the caloric dense food is exactly the reason why people are obese or overweight. And second reason is that you lack in strength, flexibility, and of course your endurance. So if you are lacking in any of these area, and if you are consuming a caloric dense food for a very long time, then chances are that you are in the place that I just mentioned above. There are certain things that I want you to avoid. First one is change the oil that you use. The oil that you get is extremely bad. I'm talking about the sunflower oil, the vegetable oil, all of that. And what happens is these things get into the cell called adipose, which is the fat tissue, and this expands. There is no way for these fat calories to go away. It is stored in your cell and it's there for a very long time, and that is how you are prone to get cholesterol or the cancer. All right, the first thing is like change the oil. So coconut oil, olive oil, peanut oil, which can be used in moderation. And the second one is get your body moving. I'm talking about the basic, like the walking or work on your flexibility. You aim to get some strength. So when you work on these things, you are setting up for a better, high quality life in the future. Nobody wants to be in pain. And I believe that you don't want to be in the pain too. So yes, eating healthy, sometimes it kind of gets boring and painful, but this pain is way better while compared to the pain of hospitals and doctors and bills and pain in the family and whatnot. So you don't want to be the person who's an absolute burden to your family. Take care. Peace.